Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm here shopping. How much is for me cooking? What a 10?
6.5. But you cross the average.
Oh my god, that's not good.
You pass, you cross the
Six and a
average.
half?
Yes, even if you're 5, you still
Robert,
pass.
no. You can't say that because me cook curry good. And me cook fish good.
Yeah.
No, score me back.
6.5 is almost 7, eh?
No, you can't score me 6 and a half.
Oh.
Not because me can't cook African
But it's
food.
almost 7. 6.5 is
So
like
because
7.
me can't cook African food, you score me 6 and a half. But me can cook my Jamaican food. So it's the same thing. Not because me can't cook African food, that doesn't mean, yeah, I can't cook. So that's why you have to score me that.
7.5.
I'm not come from Africa.
7.5
You have
is
to
good.
understand, so I don't come from Africa. I come from Jamaica. So you know, except if you can't cook your food.
7.5.
No, you have to score me 10.
Oh, did I say 7.5?
No, you have to score me 10. You have to score me 10, Robert. 10. I'm here by
The floor.
too high. So this is what flour looks like here.
That is what is used to make dumpling.
Guys, this scored me 6.5, and I can cook my Jamaican food. I cooked it good. But I can't cook Nigerian food. And ask them when you can cook in a Jamaican food.
Kalalo.
How you start kalalo?
Peel it. Remove the white this thing.
Which
on
white?
You know, the edge, the stem. Peel the body, the white from
It's
the
not
color.
white, it's green stuff. You take off those green strip off the kalalo.
Yes.
What?
The thing is transparent. Take off the transparent one. And then you see? I know.
Oh, honey. We need to get honey. Honey.
Honey.
Where is my honey?
Oh, sugar. Huh?
I don't need to get much now,
Honey.
baby.
Oh, sugar. You are my darling wife. I had to go to Jamaica. Sweet Jamaica is my only hope. I was born downtown Africa. I tried my best to get a wife. All I was in vain. I had to travel down to Jamaica to find. Why? You look good everywhere.
You're going shopping. I think we'll pass. It's so cold in here.
Yeah, because of the fridge.
Beetroot. Shall we buy beetroot to make juice?
See what you mean? See what you mean by see what you mean. Oh my
I'm
god.
buying. So we're gonna make juice. I'm gonna make him juice. Strong juice. You like my juice? Do you like my juice?
I love your juice. Hey, give me that kind of kiss you give me far away. Remove the
Do
camera.
you like my juice? Do you like my juice?
What's more kissing now? Look here. Hey, really? That's the way you make the kissing, like really, like nice one.
Do you like my juice?
Yeah.
I don't even remember where we're coming here from.
Flour, yeah.
Flour to make caramel dumpling.
Yeah.
With my buddy boo. My buddy boo. Are you my buddy boo?
Yes, of course.
My buddy boo. My buddy boo.
Yes. You need winter beat.
Yeah. I need winter bits. Winter bitsy. How should I get?
Wait a bit.
I'll get winter bits. I don't like the thready because the thready don't really last long.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is.
Ah, yeah, flour. Oh, oats. You're gonna tell them if you could get oats, see? If I get this oats.
How about the flowers?
So guys, let's see how much money we're gonna spend in this place today. That's the whole idea. Yeah. Let's see how much 20 pounds can get us in the shop.
The flowers, right?
Not flowers, it's flour.
Okay.
Flour. Say
Okay.
flour.
Flower.
Yes, flour.
We are looking for flower. Flower power.
Well, I know we do with flour, Robert.
We eat it.
What do I do with it?
Dumpling. We make dumpling with flour, ladies and gentlemen.
Do you like
Dumpling
it?
is good. I like everything you make. Even what you like. Even what you don't make but you like, I like it.
Okay then. Do you think I'm a good cook?
Yeah.